Hello everyone, welcome back to Practical Mystique. Thank you so much for viewing my live recording. This time, let us know what's the message for you for this month of November. Universe, spirits, angels, men, sisters, and the celestial teams. What does my dear Aries need to know for this month of November? Actually, this is my first time to do the live recording for the Aries sign. And of course, this is also my first time to use the Facebook platform for doing the tarot reading. So the first card I'm using is the Lightseer Tarot deck. I'm gonna pick 3 cards from this deck because I believe that I can comprehensively read the message by using this Lightseer Tarot deck. Let's see what's the message for my dear Aries. And next to that is the Beginner Tarot deck. Let us elaborate the message by using this deck. Universe, spirits, angels, my sisters, and the celestial teams. What does my dear Aries need to know for this month of November? Okay, so there we have 1 and 2 more cards, please. This deck is the Beginner Tarot deck. This is my first deck used along with the Powerful Thought cards by Louise Hay. Universe, spirits, angels, messages, and celestial teams. What this dear Aries need to know for this month of November. Alright, so there we have 3 cards from Beginner Tarot deck, and let us have 1 card from the Tarot of Opposition. instead of 1, I get 2. And 1 card from Karma card. Okay. And 1 card from the Powerful Fraud Cards by Louise Hay. Alright, so we have the first card appeared a while ago is this one. This is the Ace of Wands. The Ace is actually a fire energy, and this is concerned about people's passion, desires, or willingness. Now, the Ace of Wands is saying like you would have something to realize. Kung nakikita mo yan, itong mga mga disenyo na ganito, it represents the brain cells, no? So, ibig sabihin, mangyayari sa iyo na magkakaroon ka ng ideya. Mapapaisip mo lang ito bigla. Bigla lang itong maisadiwa ng iyong isipan. Parang ganon. And it is related to your creative pursuits. It is related to your creative ideas, to your passion, no? So nakakatulong ito, yung ideya na maiisip mo bigla. Nakakatulong ito sa iyong mga kahiligan na gawain, no? So maring may kinalaman sa negosyo, sa iyong trabaho. Maganda ito na napaisip mo lang ito bigla, no? It's very creative. This is your talent, and you're able to think of it, which can be helpful to your business, to your side hustles, to your job. Maganda ito, no, na magkakaroon ka ng creative na ideya na makakatulong sa iyo career. Ngayon, mas lalo mong matatanggap yung mga downloads na yan sa iyong isipan, probably by using your third eye chakra, no? I mean, through your third eye activation, usually darating itong mga downloads na ito kapag nakapikit yung mata mo. Kung nakikita mo sa card na yan, nakapikit yung mata niya, so ibig sabihin, kailangan para magkakaroon ka ng concentration or focus, is dapat nakapikit yung mata mo. Na parang wala kang ibang iniisip, no? It's like meditation ba, na wala kang ibang iniisip kundi you're just minding your state. Okay? So that's the time that you're gonna receive the creative downloads on your mind, you'll receive these creative downloads. Mapapaisip mo lang ito bigla. Alright? So, with the Ace of Wands, kasunod nito is ito yung Two of Cups in reverse. Two of Cups in reverse is saying na parang disconnected ka sa ibang tao or may imbalance na nangyayari, may walang kapayapaan, hindi ka masaya habang kasama mo ang iyong mga kasosyo sa business or parang nagkaroon kayo ng hindi pagkakaunawaan, hindi pagkakaisa sa iyong mga katrabaho or sa iyong mga kasosyo. Kasi itong Two of Wands is, it talks about collaboration, relationship, ganon. And in reverse, it means that there's imbalance relationship. So, probably because just misunderstanding, no? Ang iba sa inyo hindi nagkaroon ng good relationship for now, for this moment, simply because hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan. So to curb that is by having insincere communication to one another. I believe that communication is just the key to resolve issues. Okay? So, balik tayo sa itong Lightseer Tarot deck. This is the Page of Wands in the upright. The Page of Wands is saying that you're free. Malaya kang gawin ang kung ano man yung bagay na nakapagpapasaya sa iyo, no? If as you can see the color, it signifies happiness or freedom. And then on the upper portion of the card is also saying that you have a very active heart chakra, no? So, kung active lang talaga yung heart chakra natin, ibig sabihin, palagi tayong masaya, no? We have a happy heart, a peaceful heart, a forgiving heart, and understanding heart. So, maganda ito para sa iyo na very balanced yung emotional energy mo sa iyong heart chakra. Maganda ito. I'm happy for you that you are experiencing this moment. And it's also an indication that may kinalaman pa rin ito sa creative passions mo, no? Kagaya nito kanina, sorry. This is fire energy and this is also fire energy. But in this case, like I said before, magkakaroon ka ng creative idea, mapapaisip mo ito bigla, tapos ito, dito sa Page of Wands, ibig sabihin, malaya kang gawin kung ano yung gusto mo. At kung ano man yung napaisip mo bigla sa iyong isipan, malaya mo itong gawin, no? You have ample time to do such. You have enough freedom to pursue your passion, no? Your passion, your creative pursuits, whatever is that thing that makes your soul happy. Maganda ito. I'm happy for you, my dear Aries. And with the Page of Wands, dito sa beginner tarot deck is, it is saying, wow, 91. Maaaring mahalaga sa iyo itong numero na 91, 91. But actually, this is 16. Sa aking paningin, ito ay 91. Okay. So, itaya mo lang ito sa last 2. Itaya mo ito. Maaaring manalo ka. I am not encouraging you to do such. So, it depends on you, no? But I'm not really encouraging you. I-try mo lang, baka pa mananalo ka. And, ang ibig sabihin nito, ang iba sa inyo ay pinipigilan ninyo ang mga pagbabago na nagaganap sa inyong buhay, no? Yung may pinipigilan kayong pangyayari, no? Maaaring may kaguluhan na magaganap tapos pinipigilan mo. You are trying to avoid it. Okay? Iniiwas mo yung trahedya, no? And pinipigilan mo yung tower moment sa buhay mo, no? Yung mga hindi inaasahang pangyayari. You're trying to avoid it. Iniiwasan mo ang mga pangyayari na yan. Kasi parang para sa iyo hindi mo pa lubos matanggap or hindi ka pa handa. Parang ganun. Okay, and I also have here, this is the Sun. Wow, ang ganda naman. This is double confirmation dito sa Page of Wands, no? Ang ganda, oh. Tingnan mo, parang magkakasing kulay lang sila, no? Maganda ito. This is saying na you have very balanced solar plexus chakra at saka yung heart chakra mo. Kung nakikita mo, parang magkadugtong lang sila, di ba? Green man dito sa itaas, sa unang card na Page of Wands. Tapos meron ding berde dito banda sa itaas pa rin dito sa The Sun. So ibig sabihin parang magkatabi lang to sila na card na to. Parang ano lang sila, magkapatid or magkakapitbahay, no? Yan, itong si Page of Wands at saka si The Sun. So, masaya ako para sa iyo na yung solar plexus chakra mo, yung heart chakra mo, yung root chakra, at saka yung itong throat chakra ay napaka-balanse, no? They are all activated. So, you're very balanced this time, which is maganda para sa iyo. Kaya lang, kung in reverse, ibig sabihin, the problem is you. The problem is you. Parang winning season mo talaga ito. Parang ibig sabihin na ngayon ay panahon para makatanggap ng mga maraming panalangin na kung saan deserving ka talaga na maging mapagpasalamat. Pero ang problema is ikaw parang hindi mo masyado siya na-appreciate or you're not looking at it into something positive or parang you're now in the season of gratitude, in the season of abundance and winning, pero ikaw is parang hindi mo siya na-appreciate, no? You do not celebrate, you do not I think you're not thankful to that because you do not see it. Parang pinipigilan mo yung sikat ng liwanag. Kasi kagaya ng sinabi dito, meron kang pinipigilan, no? Pinipigilan mo itong mga hindi inaasahang pangyayari. So ibig sabihin, ikaw hindi mo na-enjoy yung winning season na naganap sa iyo kasi parang pinipigilan mo yung pagsikat ng araw, no? Sa halip na maging masaya ka dahil winning season mo na, kung nakikita mo, dapat maging masaya ka na winning season na ngayon para sa iyo. Pero parang pinipigilan mo yung pagsikat ng umaga, yung pagsikat ng kasaganahan sa buhay. Parang pinipigilan mo siya or parang hindi mo siya nakikita into something positive, no? Parang hindi ka naging grateful or thankful sa mga naganap sa buhay. And with that, the Sun, which is the first arcana card, the next to that is the Ace of Wands. Wow, this is double confirmation. Ang Ace of Wands ng Lightseer Tarot deck ay ito. Ang Ace of Wands ng Beginner Tarot deck is ito. This is the Ace. So, with the Ace of Wands, this is saying na magkakaroon ka ng panibagong simula or ang iba sa inyo ay makakatanggap ng magandang balita. Okay? Kagaya nito, makakatanggap ka ng mga panibagong impormasyon. Okay? And ang iba sa inyo, kung hindi man makakatanggap ng panibagong impormasyon, ay maaring magkaroon ng panibagong simula, no? Para gawin ang mga creative pursuit mo, yung mga aktibidades na nakapagpapasaya sa iyong kaluluwa, no? Which is something very creative. And magkakaroon ka ng panibagong passion ukol sa iyong mga talento. Okay? So, magkakaroon ka ng panibagong hilig, hobbies, which is now your passion. And with that, the first card for you is ito, the Star. The Star in reverse. Alamin natin kung anong ibig sabihin ng the Star. This is the Star. The Star, where are you? The Star na negative. Taking is only fair if you don't deprive others. So be inspired by great deals and not by selfish convenience or confused voices. This period may be long, tiring, and unsatisfying, but it will end if you focus on the distant light and believe in it, or at least believe in those who show it to you. That two is a type of hope. So, ito parang elaboration ito dito sa two of cups in reverse, no? Nagkakaroon kayo ng di pagkakaunawaan between you and your co-worker sa negosyo or sa trabaho, simply because of your selfish desires. Meron kang gustong mangyari na parang hindi nila ikasasaya, pero ito yung sa tingin mo makakapagpasaya sa iyo, na kung ipagpapatuloy mo yung mga selfish desire mo, parang maapektuhan yung ibang tao. So ang nangyayari, hindi kayo nagkakaunawaan. I guess ang iba sa inyo ay nagkakagulo, nagkaroon ng alitan dahil sa mga conflict of interest, no? So I do hope na malalagpasan mo ito, no? So yung pangyayari na ito, malalagpasan nyo to as you go along in your career, in your business, no? So mag-focus ka lang talaga sa matatapos lang din ito. Alam mo, parang ang moment na ito ay talagang nakakapagod, hindi mabuti ito, hindi ka masaya, but it will end if you focus on the distant light and believe in it. So, or at least believe in those who show it to you. That too is a type of hope. So, kung ano man yung alitan na nangyayari dahil sa mga conflict of interest, matatapos lang din ito kapag nagkaroon lang talaga kayo ng communication, no? Real communication to one another, no? Communication is the key. Okay? And the next card is the King of Wands. This is the King of Wands na positive. Oh no, it's a negative. The King of Wands. The King of Wands. Sa napapansin ko sa reading na to, marami talaga ang wands, no? So, maraming fire energy. We have the Ace of Wands, Page of Wands, Ace of Wands again from the Beginner Tarot deck. And this one from the Tarot of Opposition is the King of Wands na negative. You want a lot and may ask too much from yourself and those you are trying to convince. Thinking you know what's best to do doesn't necessarily make it right, ethical, or appropriate for others. So weigh your actions against the possible outcomes. Try to get what you want without forcing or hurting anyone. So ibig sabihin, meron kang mga hangarin, no? You have desires to pursue something. Kaya nga, King of Wands. This is a fire energy, and the fire energy is more concerned about your desires, your talents, your abilities, no? So, meron kang mga kagustuhan na gusto mo talagang mangyayari. Kaya lang, apektado yung ibang tao no? So, hindi talaga siya mangyayari kasi kailangan mo pang pag-isipan ng mabuti kung ikakabuti ito sa ibang tao para kung kung nagkakaroon kayo ng conflict of interest, so mawawalan kayo ng pagtitiwala sa isa't isa, no? So, for you, my advice for you, that in every decision you're gonna make, you have to consider if it is not conflict to others' interest also. Okay? And we have one card from the Karma card. In the second house, no? Houses kasi. And your beliefs on the spiritual level is what you value in your mind. And it could be your resources on your physical aspect. So, kung meron, kung ano man yung pinapaniwalaan mo sa iyong kalooban, maitatanim din iyon sa iyong isipan na kung ano man yung iniisip mo para sa iyo, yun na yung value na dapat mong sundin ng iyong physical na aspeto, no? But be careful if this something that you believe doesn't make a conflict of interest to other people, in order to avoid misunderstandings or conflicts. Okay? Wow. I love life. Affirm this to yourself. You love life. It is your birthright to live fully and freely. You give to life exactly what you want life to give to you. You are glad to be alive and you love your life. Yes, continue to say yes to life, and life itself will say yes to you. So as long as you think something positive, then you would also have a positive life. Okay? Because your destiny depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Okay? So, ito yung mensahe ko para sa iyo, my dear Aries. See you in the next reading. Love and light.